Welcome to the SIF Agent for PowerSchool New Year Rollover Process podcast. I'm Michael Ingalls, a Senior Technical Trainer here at Pearson. Let's get started. Here's the agenda for this session. We'll talk about the New Year Rollover documentation that is available, discuss the New Year Rollover process for PowerSchool's SIF Agent, and then show a demonstration of the New Year Rollover process. We'll finish by looking at what support is available for you. The New Year Rollover process document for the PowerSchool SIF Agent can be found as solution number 300 on the Customer Support Center website. You can also see a detailed document outlining the process found in Section 10 of the PowerSchool SIF Agent User's Guide. In addition to the documentation provided by the Data Solutions Group, the PowerSchool End-of-Year Process document makes references to when you should complete the SIF Agent activities. Another document is the New Year Rollover article that you have received by way of email. It is also solution number 188 on the Pearson Data Solutions Customer Support Center website. If you are using PowerSchool as part of a state implementation, please refer to any state-issued documentation. Once you have gathered and reviewed all documentation, you're ready to move forward. Let's discuss how to complete the New Year Rollover process for the PowerSchool SIF Agent. Think of the process as a sandwich. The agent's processes are the bread of the sandwich, and the PowerSchool application's final New Year Rollover process is the meat of the sandwich. First, you will use the New Year Rollover wizard found under the Tools section of the SIF Agent's console. You'll select It's the End of the Current School Year, Phase A option, and follow the prompts. Second, you will complete the final New Year Rollover process with the PowerSchool application, or in other words, Phase B. Lastly, you'll come back to the PowerSchool SIF Agent's wizard and select It's the Beginning of the New School Year, or Phase C. Select the appropriate year range and follow the prompts to complete. Once you have completed Phase C, you can move on to Phase D, which is to synchronize all subscribing SIF agents. Is PowerSchool hosted for you? If it is, hosted by PowerSchool, contact Pearson Data Solutions Support. If PowerSchool is hosted by a third party, please coordinate with your provider to complete the New Year Rollover process. So let's go ahead and look at a demonstration of the process. I've already opened up my agent's console and ready to use the wizard for the first time. To access the wizard, I go to Tools, Wizards, New Year Rollover Wizard. You'll see the welcome screen, which reviews the function of the wizard and reminds you to review the New Year Rollover section of the User's Guide. Select the radio button next to It's the End of the Current School Year, Phase A, and select Next. The bullet explains what will be completed when you proceed with the New Year Rollover wizard. It will be disabling SIF connectivity for all zones. You'll notice that you have 3 buttons at the bottom. Close is to cancel the wizard, Back to review the previous screen and its options, and Finish to proceed. Select Finish. It confirms that the first half of the New Year Rollover process is completed. It states, Phase A of the New Year Rollover procedure has finished successfully. A New Year Rollover report will be generated. Please complete the New Year Rollover by continuing with the remaining phases. Select OK. I have a report that confirms that what has taken place and all of my zones are showing disabled. I'm ready to perform my final New Year Rollover process for my PowerSchool application, or Phase B. I've completed the PowerSchool's New Year Rollover process, or Phase B, and ready now to complete the process with the agent. To do this, I will open up my agent's console and go to the wizard. Again, this is found under Tools, Wizards, New Year Rollover Wizard. This time I need to select It's the Start of a New School Year, Phase C. Use the drop-down box and select the appropriate school year range and hit Next. The wizard confirms that you are ready and lists the activities that will be completed when you select Finish. It will reconcile student school enrollment ref IDs, update school year settings in the UI, unregister SIF connectivity for all zones, and enable SIF connectivity for all zones. So when you're ready, select Finish. It will then process my zones. Click OK in the new box. Once it has finished completing its tasks, another report will be generated explaining what the wizard has processed. My report has been created, and my zones are all connected and ready for the new year. And now I'm ready to complete the New Year rollover process for all of my subscribing SIF agents. If you find you are completely stuck, there are resources available to you. Contact the Data Solutions Support Group at Pearson. You can also log a case with our support team from our Customer Support Center website found at www.pearsondatasolutions.com. You can also call us at 877-790-1261, option 2, or email us at support@pearsondatasolutions.com. Thank you for joining me on this podcast. Good luck with your New Year rollover process.